Hello, I'm Mike. Welcome to Mullan Lighting. Come on in. This is essentially where I grew up. I grew up very close to Mullan Village. I always knew it as a kind of a small sort of sleepy place. It had a big history, but unfortunately for a long time it lay idle. Being only a few hundred metres from the border, got very much affected by the troubles in Northern Ireland at the time. By the late 90s, Mullan was almost entirely derelict and had fallen into disrepair. And then when we started here in 2009, we gradually restored the factory. It's brought it around full circle and it's back to being a bustling, busy community and factory. And we have about 100 living in the village and about another 100 people working in the factory. So it's come full circle and it's great to see it back to life. The rural setting has had an influence. You can see that in our designs. We're very much influenced by the vintage industrial feel. But we combine that with modern contemporary design and fusing those two things together produces something quite unique and quite beautiful. Visitors to Monaghan should stop by Mullan. Walking through it is kind of magical to think of its past, how it was totally derelict not too long ago. We have huge plans for Mullan Village. We recently opened a play park, which anyone's welcome to come and use. We have plans to open walkways surrounding the village and also plans to open a coffee shop. That'll all happen within this year. Look, it's a beautiful place. There's a lot of history, a lot of heritage, and the people are great. We once had visitors come from the Middle East, from India and Greece. There was a consortium of companies that come together. As they visited, some of the local goats had escaped. They took to running around the factory at the same time and we went about catching them. It was quite a moment where we seen the sort of the mix of the rural setting and the magic of what we do here. It brought a lot of entertainment to those guys.